In this video, we will show you how to assemble and operate your GREENWORKS pole hedge trimmer. We have featured one of our 80-volt models. However, this guide can be followed for 60-volt and 80-volt Pro pole hedgers. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get started. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with packing material and any loose, unassembled parts. Carefully lift the hedge trimmer components out of the box and set them down. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have used the product. Attaching the poles. Align the arrow on the top pole with the arrow on the bottom pole. Push the two poles together. Secure the poles by threading the plastic coupler onto the middle connection. If the head needs to be removed, simply loosen the coupler and pull the poles apart. Attaching the auxiliary handle. Remove the knob from the auxiliary handle. Place the handle on top of the shaft and set the lower clamp behind it, sliding the full end into the groove and the open end onto the bolt. Thread the knob back onto the bolt and set the auxiliary handle in a comfortable position. Tighten the knob. Attaching the shoulder strap. If your unit included a shoulder strap, you may now attach the clip to the ring located on the shaft. Keep hands and feet away from the trimmer head. Check that there are no people, pets, or loose objects nearby. Thrown objects can ricochet and result in personal injury or property damage. Wear gloves and eye protection when operating. Protective clothing and boots are also recommended. Before starting any pole hedge trimmer, the power source must be connected. If you purchased a complete kit including a battery and charger, please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. If you're using a shoulder strap, adjust this to a comfortable position. The lockout lever is embedded in the trigger. It must be pushed forward before pressing the trigger. The trigger is underneath the handle. The pivot button is located towards the head of the hedge trimmer. The trimmer head can be locked in multiple positions. Pull the pivot button back and unlock the trimmer head. Move the head forward or backwards to your desired position. Release the pivot button. Verify that the trimmer head has locked into place. Before starting the hedge trimmer, ensure that you have removed the blade cover. Push the lockout lever forward to allow the trigger to be depressed. Pull the trigger. To stop the unit, release the trigger. After use, disconnect the power source. To clean the machine, brush out any debris and wipe it down with a damp cloth. Do not use aggressive detergents or solvents to clean the trimmer. Fully dry the unit and then apply lubrication. Ensure that the air vents are clear of debris. Examine the machine for damage, missing, or loose parts such as screws, nuts, bolts, and knobs. Be sure to replace and/or tighten all necessary parts prior to your next use. When not in use, hedge trimmers should be stored indoors in a dry, locked location, out of the reach of children. Before putting your hedge trimmer away for the season, we recommend thoroughly cleaning the unit with a damp cloth and wiping dry. Batteries should be stored indoors and away from any heat sources. Charge the batteries at room temperature and out of direct sunlight. If the battery is hot, allow it to cool down before recharging. Once the batteries are charged, unplug the charger. The batteries can stay on the charger, but it's better to remove them and store them separately. During the off-season, it's best to store the batteries fully charged. Keep the charger clean and clear of debris. If necessary, wipe the charger clean with a dry cloth. Do not use solvents or water. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your hedge trimmer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS hedge trimmer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.